Hi everyone. In this video, I bring to you a free tool to boost download speed. Sometimes you get crazy to download a large file. As you see here, its speed is about zero, but here is 414 or more kilobyte per second. However, my internet speed is so slow, but it makes a huge difference between the tool and normal way. If you want a tool like this, stick to the end to have this powerful tool. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Search for Jopid. Enter. Click this one. Okay. Just click download. Save. Yes. Already I have the file for Gopid. Just open folder. Then right click. Extract it. Good. Double click on it. Double click on it. Run. Okay. I accept it. Next. Next. Yes. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Install. Next. Finish. That is a software. Here you have tasks, extensions, setting. You can change settings as you want. Advanced. Okay, go to tasks. Click this icon. Okay. Just you have to paste the link here. For example, I want to download. For example, I want to download Windows 11. Just click it. Save. Also, let me copy the link for this download to see the difference. Copy link address. Come back to the software or the tool. Paste it here. Just confirm. You can change the location, but I let it as default. Confirm. Okay. Download. You see the speed by the tool, and let's check by normal. It's almost zero. Okay. Again. Still it is zero. That's all. Have a nice time.